Hey, what's up, everyone? Hey, I'm back. I've got another one of those Donruss Optic Donruss box breaks. I have this great scenic view for you guys. I thought you guys might enjoy it. While I break this box, you guys know what's up with these cards. Let me just go ahead and break the box. See if we get some good stuff out of here today. Happy holidays, guys. Only a couple of days, actually only 2 more days before Christmas. Alright, here's the packs. Let's break right through this. I'm getting over the flu. It's flu season out here in California. Alright, here we go. See if I get a good angle on this here. Alright, Adrian Beltre, Jose Altuve, World Series champ, Nolan Arenado. Alright, Diamond King, Prolo, Carlos Correa, another World Series champ here. Let's see, there you go. Alright, and Luke Weaver, rookie card. I like these parallels, they're nice. Love these cards. That's one pack. Alright, guys, here we go with the next one. Edwin Encarnacion, Giancarlo Stanton, backward card, Corey Seager. What does this mean here? Corey Seager, I've never seen this before, never heard of this. It's got Roy, Los Angeles. Huh. You guys know what's up with this? Feel free to comment down below. Corey Seager, huh? Donruss Optic Baseball, Corey Seager. I don't see anything numbered here. It's a prism card. Awesome. Go Dodgers. Corey Kluber, Diamond King, Miguel Sano, Diamond King. Alright, let's go with the next one. My battery's dying too. I gotta rush this. Nick Markakis, Gregory Polanco, Kyle Schwarber, Javier Baez. Cool. Reynaldo Lopez, rookie card. Let's move on. Hope you guys are all doing good. Ready for the holidays. All right, Todd Frazier, Kevin Kiermaier, George Springer. All right, World Series MVP. Upside down card, Teoscar Hernandez for the Houston Astros. Rookie card, rated rookie. And Paul Goldsmith. Love these parallels. Come on, phone, don't let me down. Ooh, Ken Griffey Jr. First Ken Griffey Jr. in these Donruss Optics. Nice. Okay. Alright, Miguel Sano. Michael Franco. Upside down card, Joe Musgrove, another World Series champ, rated rookie card for the Houston Astros. Chris Sale. There you go. Last pack, guys. Last pack. Here we go. Dexter Fowler, Michael Fulmer, Jose De Leon, rated rookie. Chris Davis, And Dansby Swanson. Alright guys, nothing really big in here other than that, let's see, we have a King Griffey Jr. Flashback, and then Dansby Swanson rookie card. That's cool. And this Corey Seager, Pepino, man, shout out to you, brother. There you go, man. I don't know what this means. I've never seen anything like this. It's cool though. That's that, man. Thanks for watching, guys. And if you guys are sick, man, don't forget to take your cup of noodle soup. Alright? Stay healthy. Stay strong for the holidays. Check you guys out later. I'm out.